everyone. Today's topic is SMT, or we can say it's as a surface mount technology, and it's originally called as planar mount. What exactly it is? It's nothing but a method in which the electrical components are mounted directly on the surface of a PCB. PCB is in the sense printed circuit. So an electrical component mounted in the manner is referred to as SMT, that is surface mount device. Now, if in industry, if you see this approach has largely replaced by through-hole technology. In this construction method of fitting components in large part because SMT allows for increased manufacturing automation, which reduces the cost and improves quality. It also allows for more components to fit on a given area of substrate. Both technology can be used on same board with the hole through hole technology often use the component for components not suitable for surface mounting such as large transformer and heatsink power semiconductors. An SMT component is usually smaller than its through hole counterpart because it has either a small leads or no leads at all. It may have short pins or leads of various styles, flat contacts, a matrix of solder balls, or termination on the body of the component. What are the advantages if you see? Faster automated assembly, much higher component density. Component can be placed on both sides of the circuit board. High density of connection because holes do not block routing space or inner layers nor on backside layers. Small errors in component placement are corrected automatically as the surface tension of the molten solder pulls components into alignment with solder pads. Better mechanical performance under shock and vibration conditions, lower resistance and inductance at the connection. So consequently, what happens is fewer unwanted RF signal effects and better and more predictable high frequency performance. Many SMT parts cost less than equivalent through hole parts, smaller components. Now, few are the disadvantage. SMT may be unsuitable as the sole attachment method for components subject to frequent mechanical stress, such as connector used to interface with external devices that are frequently attached and detached. SMT solder connection may be damaged by potting compounds going through thermal cycling. Solder joint dimension in SMT quickly become much smaller as advances are made toward ultrafine pitch technology. So this is overview of SMT.